Hi, good morning. My name is Vin. Welcome to NCR Rizal Properties. Alright? Dito pa rin tayo sa Greenwoods Executive Village. Okay? Ayan. Alright, sige, pasukin natin to. Medyo maingay yung aso doon sa kapitbahay. Okay, so this is your 2 carport vehicle. So this is your main entrance. Kita nyo, naka-high ceiling po yung ating living area. Very elegant yung design. Gustong gusto ko to. Again, yung complete details ipopost ko po, ha? The price, the lot area, the floor area. Sa ngayon, enjoy muna natin to. Itong very elegant design na property dito sa Greenwoods. So this is your kitchen area. So yung pintuan na yan, nakikita nyo, ito, papunta yan sa service area. Then doon sa likuran, meron po tayong mains quarter. May toilet and bath na rin. Alright? Hindi ko na pupuntahan, no? Medyo madumi po eh. Sayang naman yung ganda nitong property. So, this is your powder room. Naka-hotel type siya. Ganda. Okay, isang silip pa dito sa ating kitchen and dining area. So this is your kitchen, your dining area, and your high ceiling living area. Akyat tayo sa second floor. Ayan, no? First bedroom dito sa ating second floor. Right. So may built-in cabinet. Naka-cove ceiling. May sariling toilet and bath. Then, this is your master's bedroom. We have balcony here. Merong split type na aircon. Then, this is your walk-in closet and your full toilet and bath. Okay, akit tayo sa ating third floor. Okay. So, yung pinasok ko kaninang bedroom, may sariling toilet and bath. Ito, wala. Tingin ko yung itong common toilet and bath is para dito sa natitirang 2 bedrooms. Okay. Oh, hindi. Itong bedroom, may sarili rin itong toilet and bath. Okay? Okay. So, kaya po, naka-common toilet and bath yung isa. Yung isang kwarto, walang sariling toilet and bath. Ginawa pong common toilet and bath because this is your secondary family area. Right? Pag may visitors kayo, pwede rin naman po dito. So, kaya naka-common toilet and bath po yung isang bedroom. So, basically, pwede siya maging guest room. Right? Yan. Again, we're here inside the Greenwoods Executive Village. Okay. So, yan yung community. Mas malapit po ito sa may Taytay Gate. Right? So, going to C6, from here, going to C6, it takes only, or going to BGC, siguro mga 30 minutes lang po. Okay? So, if interested, ipopost ko po yung full description, full details sa description and yung number ko. Okay? So, yung number ko 0928-485-1156 or 0907-022-3423. Ayan. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.